Following the restart of greyhound racing after the pandemic lockdown of all sporting events, I thought I would share with you some recent results members have taken advantage of, from the weekly Research Done For You service. Recent Research Done For You recommendations included the following tips in Ireland, the UK, the US and Australia. On the 31st of July, the two-trap greyhound system research indicated Kilkenny and traps 3 and 6 over a distance of 480 meters. Let's look at the results for that day. Here, you can see the two-trap greyhound system. In the fourth race, at the meeting, the odds were 3-1, or 4.0 in decimal odds. That's a winner. On the 3rd of August, the system returned Romford, with traps 1 and 2. The result was a winner in the second race of the day, with odds of 11-4, or 3.75 in decimals. Let's look at the US and Palm Beach. For August 4th, the two-trap greyhound system showed that traps 1 and 8, over 545 yards, was a likely winner. And, sure enough, in came trap 8 in race 2 at odds of 9.2. How did Australia fare? For the races on the 26th of July, the two-trap greyhound system indicated traps 1 and 2, over 383 meters, on the Darwin race card, would do well. It did. Trap 1 came first, in the second race over that distance, with odds of 1.2. 4 selections, 4 winners. With the two-trap greyhound system. If you are not yet a member of the MBT Sports members area, or you would like to get your copy of the two-trap greyhound system, click the link on this page.